The project name is Cassava Plant Disease Identification by using deep learning. This is abstract of our project. Let's move on to the project. This is the folder where consists of the source code, and the app file is the main file which has to be runnable. Just open the Anaconda prompt. After opening the Anaconda prompt, just create an environment by using the following command: conda create -n. I just give disease Python. Just mention the Python version whichever it is compatible. I mentioned 3.6.7. Enter. There is already an environment named disease. I just press N. Let's give another name, diseases. Enter. The environment being created. Just hold on for a few minutes unless the environment being created. Just press Y and enter. Now the environment is being created. Just activate the environment. I already created an environment by name activate Cassava 2. I'm just activating it. Now you can see that the base was replaced by the environment name Cassava 2. That means the environment get activated. Now just go through the file where the source code is present. I'm just copying the address from the address bar. Just paste it here. Now just run the file python app.py and just enter. Now you see that our program runs successfully. Just copy the URL here and just place it in your web browser. This is a GUI of our project. It was displayed as a web page. Now just choose a file. These are all the files which was already been placed in our folder. Just select one of it and just enter predict. You can see the prediction probability and the prediction of the disease. This is the project which was developed by using the deep learning project. Now we can see the server is running continuously. That means our program is getting running in the background. If you want to stop the server, just press Ctrl C. Now the server gets stopped. If you refresh the page, you won't get any update. Yeah, that's for the project.